What's up, you guys? I had the intention of filming a really cute intro with good lighting and all that good stuff, but unfortunately I did not have time to do that today, so you are getting an intro in my messy kitchen instead. We filmed a little thrift store Instagram challenge. Basically, so I challenged myself to go thrift shopping and get some outfits and then shoot some Instagram photos in them. Basically, I created this video just for fun and also to show that you don't have to spend a ton of money to buy cute clothes. I have 5 different outfits that I picked out. I got some really cute stuff and then we went out and took some photos and I really love how they turned out. I hope you guys love this video and let's get right into it. You guys, I'm dying. This is mine. I literally gave this to this Goodwill. Should I rebuy it and wear it? Now I'm second guessing it and I think it's actually really cute. Getting some cute stuff. One sweater at Free People for $100, so that's what we call a deal. I should have done that at the end of every single one. Okay guys, so that is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun stuff coming your way. I'm headed on a trip and I'm excited to take you guys with me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.